Hey, what's going on, everybody? Out here at the house. And this has been a rough week for vehicles here. I know they always say things come in threes, but this week it came in fours. Where do I start? Well, the first thing was Ethan's Honda. He's been having issues with the starter, and it finally gave out on him. So he goes to AutoZone to order a starter. Well, it shows 3 different types for this car. Well, let's put it this way. So far, he's taken back 3 starters. None of them are the right ones. So now he's on his 4th one. So he's on his way now to pick up starter number 4. And hopefully this is going to be the right one. I mean, I know the years are different on these things, but it's a 97 Honda Civic. Or excuse me, what was it? 89 Honda Civic. And it's an automatic. So I don't know why there's 4 or 5 different starters for this damn car. So anyway, that's number 1 of the week. Number 2 was Ethan's girlfriend's car. It had a dead battery, same day. Then he goes take his 300 for a spin because I hadn't drove it for a while. That had a dead battery. So I'm like, okay, things can't get any worse. So the next day, my other half calls me up in the morning. She's on her way to work. She's driving my Charger. And a little bit of backstory on the Charger. I mentioned a while back that I hurt the motor about 1.5 years ago at the drag strip. So it was burning a little bit of oil after that evening. So I told her, I said, you need to check the oil every couple of days. And it go about 1.5 quarts a week. Well, the game plan was this winter to tear this motor back down and redo it because I want to add some goodie parts to it. Well, she gives me a call and tells me, I think I blew your motor up. I blew your car up. And I was like, all right. I couldn't even get mad. But at the same time, though, I told her, I said, all I gotta do is check the oil in it, put gas in it. So now, it's sitting on the trailer. 0 oil pressure. It was 4 quarts low in oil, which she hadn't been keeping track of it. So now this is broke down. So been one of those weeks. So Ethan went to go pick up his other starter. Battery got replaced in girlfriend's car. Battery got charged up on 300. I'm going to get a parts list together for this girl. On top of trying to get things together for the Studebaker and getting ready to go to the track tomorrow night to do another round with slag hammer, get it a little bit more dialed in so I can have that ready to go by the end of the month. So busy weekend. Yeah. So what do? You just keep going forwards. So Ethan just got back from AutoZone with starter number 4. And looks like that's going to be it. So he's going to get started on this and get his car back together. So Ethan, I guess 4th time is a charm.
Yeah, I don't remember the saying going like that, but this time, yeah.
So there you have it. This is what's going on over here. I'm gonna get this in. I gotta get get the Charger offloaded off the trailer. Get slag hammer loaded up for tomorrow night. And we'll see you down the road.